Hey guys, Martin from Impress Computers, and today we're going to have another custom build. So this guy went with the 2080 RTX, the i7 processor, dual pump liquid cooler, and it's got all kinds of RGB. So he also went with the 500 Black series from Western Digital NVMe drive and a 2TB for all kinds of games. Now this unit comes with a 3-year warranty, and if anything happens within the 3 years, then we take care of that for you. Now, on the other hand, he also bought this ultra-wide monitor that I mentioned a couple of months ago. This is a great monitor for those who like to multitask at the same time when you're playing. You can do between multiple windows, you can do a lot of stuff, and if you're playing like FPS shooter games, it actually opens the wide angle for you to see who's next to you in case you have like enemies and stuff going around, and for those who race, you would have a bigger cockpit. So if you're looking for nice monitors or a custom build, you can check our website. We have a section where you can actually build it, and if you'd like, you can come in the shop and we can build it together. If you have any questions, just leave the comments down below or give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.